How to use the crisper drawer correctly. Keep vegetables fresh longer. To use your crisper drawer for veggies, set the vent to high humidity, closed vent, for leafy greens and moisture-loving veg like broccoli, carrots, and lettuce to keep them crisp. Use the low setting, open vent, for ethylene-producing fruits like apples and pears to let the gas escape, preventing veggie spoilage, and always wash and dry produce before storing, separating strong-smelling items. For vegetables, high humidity setting, close the vent, high humidity. Why? Traps moisture to prevent wilting. Veggies, leafy greens, lettuce, spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, cucumbers, Brussels sprouts, radishes, celery. For fruits and other veggies, low humidity setting, open the vent, low humidity. Why? Allows ethylene gas, which causes ripening, rotting, to escape, preventing other produce from spoiling quickly. Items: apples, pears, melons, avocados, peppers, and other fruits. General tips for both: don't overcrowd, give items space for air circulation. Wash and dry. Rinse veggies and dry thoroughly before storing to prevent mold. The question is, keep ethylene producers, fruits, away from ethylene-sensitive items, most veggies. No control? If you only have one drawer, use it for leafy greens and keep ethylene producers in another part of the fridge.